back to the video. Today we're going to be playing Monkey Hub. Oh my god, the music is loud. Alright, we're playing Monkey Hub. In this game, oh my god, what are these hands? Holy crap. No, we're playing Monkey Head, as we know. It's kind of laggy. The spokes hang out. I'm gonna mute this music. It's kind of annoying. I'm not currently connected to a lobby. How do I get connected to a lobby? This is a Discord. Oh, these server buttons. Alright, it's not like real tag like servers. Please? Whoa, 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 whoa! It just kicked me out of the game. It's one server to join. I don't know how to join a lobby. Yes! Yes! A lobby! Lobby! Microphone. Join, please, join, please, join. Join! God dang it! There we go. Oh! Oh! This is cool. Whoa, my hand. Okay, look at these little there's mini mountains that have snow on them, but not on the tippy top. And this one doesn't have a tippy top. Kind of does. Well, there's a cosmetics tower. That's interesting. What is? Okay, that's glitched. Where's horror? I heard about some of horror. I look scary. Oh my god! You can become catnap. You can become catnap. Someone just died. Someone just died. Valentine's Cosmetics. Oh wait, is Valentine's Cosmetics? What? Oh, it's a grab pack! It actually works! It's a grab pack! I love that, dude! Ooh, attack pad! No, it takes off the grab pack. I'm keeping on the grab pack. That's actually cool. It even shoots, so I can shoot people. I'm also gonna become catnap, but I can't turn on every other cosmetic. I wish I could become catnap, although I don't want to be a furry. So I'm not a furry. Frick furries, no one likes them. I just want to be catnap. How do you get to horror? Is there even there? Yeah, there is horror. I saw it from a video. Pow, 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 pow. But maybe it's on the other side of this bridge. I don't see horror. Oh, there's catnap. You can. Oh, never mind. No, you can't. Oh, there's a lily pad. That's cool. All right, where's horror at? Room. There is private rooms. Well, where's horror? Where's horror? How do you get to horror? Okay, maybe it's in the title screen. Unless it's up there. I don't know if it's up there. Let's explore all this map. Why am I getting killed? Why am I so laggy? My FPS is 24! Help!
Here,
please.
now you know who I am, because I have the cheese.
I don't know what you are. I don't know
the
who you
cheese.
are. I have the cheese. I have the cheese. What's up with this for? Just Valentine stuff? No. Oh, yeah. It takes off the grab packs, so that sucks. I get some chocolate. Oh, it's not edible. Sadly, you can't take on the top hat with the grab pack. I wish you could do that. Look at me, I have a grab pack. You got no colors? How the heck did you get into horror? Where's horror even at? There's some more realistic trees. More like real life trees instead of like gorilla type trees. Alright, we're up here. I can't even make it up here. My FPS is still really low. No, what is this? Okay, how do you get to horror? Monkeys, where's horror at?
Then they'll be back.
How do you get to horror? Where is horror? Tell me where horror is. What's back your butt?
Why
People are getting killed. Where's horror? Monkeys, where is horror?
Hey, I'm going to the basement.
Whoa. Oh, this is for horror. A black hole is
Please, sir.
Your job to
Who's gonna go to the basement with me?
Crowbar and break the vent. Watch out for the monsters. Where is the crowbar even at?
No, I'm down here by myself.
Wait, where's the crowbar at?
Yeah, what happened to your guys' crowbars?
I don't know where my crowbar is.
If you lost them, just quit the game and rejoin.
Oh, come on! Alright, look behind here. The crowbar is at. Where is the crowbar even at? It's not spawning. The crowbar. kind of crowbar even is that? That's not this. It's just a shovel. They're definitely digging something up over here. They're having a sword fight. My crowbar. There has to be a crowbar right outside it. So where's the crowbar? Here? You're trying to scare me. It's that weird guy from Sesame Street or something. It's the weird guy that sits in the dumpster or the trash. I don't know what it's called. I just have to. Monkey, please help me! Where is the crowbar?
Wait, can you hear me?
There it is, right here. Thanks. Thanks, I got the crowbar. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna put my hand on this.
I can hear you. Okay, finally get to horror now.
Not it.
Monkeys. Whoa.
Okay.
We're
gotta go all the way down there, though.
okay. What is this? What's here? Oh my god.
Holy crap. I survived.
I don't like this.
I'm about to get the heat. 3, 2, 1,
Not it.
you lost.
What do you mean? I didn't lose.
No.
I did not lose.
Not it, no, you. Not it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, not it.
You did it.
You lost. You gotta go all the way down
I
there.
said it second. Oh my god. I said it second. I'm not going in there. You have to go. You said it last. I'm not.
No.
What are those noises?
Bro, why are we so Okay, we're all gonna go then. Okay? At the same time.
Wait,
everyone. All the way down there. All the way.
All the way down.
All the way. In there.
I'm scared.
In there, buddy.
Let's just go.
Buddy.
I'm not leading it.
Buddy, in there. Should we go? Hey, it's me. Can you talk? Yeah, I
I'm
can.
gonna smack you.
Hey, cats.
Catnap.
Shut up. There's a cat. Bro.
No, we're catnap.
Why is there so many cats?
So smack.
Hey, can any of you all hear me?
No, I can't hear you.
Behind you!
I see. Don't go down here.
I saw something over there, guys. I saw something.
Wise. Oh my god.
I saw them.
No, wait, you can't go back. I actually just did that. People are getting murdered. Holy crap.
I died.
I'm gonna smack the monster when next time I see him. I'm gonna do a smack attack.
Help me. Who's
No.
gonna go down?